Good afternoon and welcome to Chaweng Beach, or Chaweng Beach, however you want to pronounce it. We've just checked into a new hotel. We'll be heading down to a fire show, and we're heading to a local Thai restaurant to snag a little bit of dinner. And we're going to go ahead and show you what that looks like coming up next. Fruit shake, shack, dragon fruits, watermelons, pineapples, grapes, everything. We're definitely going to make a stop here on the way back. Look at all the pictures. Alrighty, we're here at NOI restaurant. It's at the very southern tip of Chaweng, and it's a traditional Thai restaurant. NOI restaurant, and you can tell by the menu for sure that it's going to be a good time. All right, so we're going to be going with the green curry guy, or green curry with chicken and a side of rice, and then I'll have a Sprite.
Sprite?
With the food, please.
With the food, okay.
Okay.
Do you need an ice cube or no ice?
No, thank you. All right, the green curry has arrived. Let's go ahead and bring you in nice and close so you can see what we're working with. Lots of green in there. Little baby corns, baby carrots. Looks like we got at least one chili going. Tons of green beans, tons of chicken. We're gonna have to do a taste test here in a second. We gotta properly stimulate the rice here, open it up. Oh, it's a little sticky little rice here. Looking pretty good though. A little bit of rice with just a little bit of broth. Give it a smell. Oh yeah. Spicy. It is a traditional green curry. It's just missing the tiny little green balls that are usually in the curry, and I guess they just used green beans instead. All right, so we'll start building our graveyard. Getting a little spicy out here, folks. But we got to build our graveyard, so I like to take all of the veggies and the chickens, kind of spread it around the rice. Oh yeah, look at that. What a healthy portion too. But then this will let the veggies and the chicken kind of cool off a little, and it lets the broth cool a bit too, so that we can start eating a little bit faster without having to wait. Oh yeah, baby corn. Take a look at these freaking fresh carrots. I mean, fresh green bean, basil, baby corns, and the chickens aren't huge chunks, which I like, because that means that it was probably like a naturally grown chicken and not like pumped with a bunch of extra crap just to make it a bigger chicken. So when I see little chunks of chicken like this, I know we're getting good product. And then, you know, we have a Sprite to wash everything down. One thing is for certain though, it is April in Thailand, in Koh Samui. So we're at like 32 Celsius, I think, 85, 95, 100% humidity every day. So not only is it hot outside, when you start eating this hot and spicy food, it's like you need to take a shower again after dinner. Oh man. Here it is. Little dip. Makes me happy. A little spicy guy right there doing that. All right, we're leaving Noise. We're leaving Noise now, heading over to the happy hour which hosts the fire show. They got a buy one, get one free. But let's talk about that green curry real quick. That green curry was 210 baht, which is gonna be about $6.50. And we got green curry with chicken, suprite, and rice on the side. $6. Spicy. So what happened was they hit a green chili in. I'm used to looking for the red peppers, but they hit a green one in this time. And I was like, what the heck? This is more spicy than usual. Well, there was a green pepper in there. They got me good. We'll be heading into the Anavana for the happy hour, and then the 7:30 fire show. Today's Monday, I think. Yeah, Monday nights is gonna be fire show night. So happy hour till 7, and then the fire show starts just shortly after. But check out this hotel. Quiet, beautiful pool, just walking through the forest. All of these bungalows are a nice stay. $250 a night though, so you're paying a couple extra bucks for the privacy and the quiet, and to be completely in the forest in a bungalow with a beautiful ocean beach. Ready? Followed by the fire show. All right, well, it's time for me to scroll my phone and get a couple drinks in this happy hour, and then I'll be ready to show you the fire show. Get ready.